Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good, so last session we did continue with the merging of the height map, and there is some issue with the water. The water is gone, which is not ideal. Oh, look at that. There's a there's a little island here in the water. So the question is, why does this happen? Maybe it's a problem with the shader, which we touched here. Where is it? Did we touch shader? Yeah, here, shader. Hard to say. Gradient, modulate, 2x. What is that used for? Is that used for water? If yes, then it would be a hint. Tree buffer. It's used in tree buffer. That doesn't explain it. No. Shader. I think what we should do is I think we should merge this stuff down. Yeah. Okay, and then, so we have this one big change here. And now we need to figure out why the water is bad. There's also a water definition, right? Pass water definition. No? No. No? Maybe we should revert these here, these changes. Yeah. But for now it's fine. Okay, so let's think about this. Well, let's go into the height map files. Height map. And let's search for anything regarding water. Yeah, okay. Water. Okay, water is in here. Just terrain a lot. Use water plane false. Oh, maybe that's a problem here. Use water plane. Is that because it's not in here? Yeah. I wonder if this water plane stuff here could be related in some way. Use water plane, set to false. True. Use water plane. Debug water plane. Toggle water plane. How do we toggle that? Patch. Do you want to save the changes? Don't save. RB brackets. I don't know what that means. R brackets. R brackets. Okay. Here. Okay, it's not water plane on off. Okay. It looks pretty identical here, the water plane stuff. Let's go back to height map and search for water again. There we go. World's height map. Water. Nope. Let's go to base height map. Water. Water render objects. Okay, let's search with the water render objects. Let's see what that is about. Maybe there's some difference. Okay, so. Expose gets created here. Okay. Seems fine. Seems fine, yeah. Global water rendering objects. Yeah. That is that is good, yeah. So we have a lot of water thingies in here. There. Now the question is water transparency. I don't know what the problem is here. Shader Manager also has water stuff. What could be the problem here? Let me see if the water, so there's W3D water, right? Yeah. So is there an update function? Render. There's an update phase of the water. Yeah. And this one is called, yeah, okay. Update is there. Okay. Okay, so the update is there. What about render? Render water. There's render and render water. Let's put a breakpoint here and here. Okay, this one is being called terrain render object. Okay. Oops, I didn't mean to put that. Put it on the list instead of rendering it. Add to static sort list. So does it ever get in here? It does. Render water. P-trick is water area. False. Is river. Okay, so it does get to the rendering function. Feather water 0 points. So it wants to render water. Access. Man. Old versus new water. Set up flat water shader. So Lorenzen says set up flat water shader. Get shrouds. It certainly does something. It renders something. But we don't see anything. I mean, what we can try is maybe in the water we can merge the water and see if that fixes anything. Let's see. Just take all the water changes here. What about this here? Mid levels 1. Mid levels 1. Texture. Mid levels 1. Let's take this here. Take that. Okay. Let's just take all the changes here and see what happens. Okay. 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 Let's see if that compiles. Error. Okay. Init. Protected member. Texture class. Okay. Texture class. Texture.h. Compare. Texture. Oof. Wow, that's a lot of changes. Oh, that really is a lot of changes, yeah. Oh no. Oh. Maybe it would be enough to just modify the texture class for now. Just make it public, this function. It is public. No, it's texture loader. Texture.h. Init protected. Init. Yeah, let's just move it. Just public. Protected. Let's just test that. DX8 wrapper. DX8 wrapper. Oh, where is it? Here. DX8 wrapper. Oh boy, I can't read these things anymore. I think we need to start closing shit here. So, DX8 wrapper. So we're looking for this one. Will we be able to find it here? No. There we go. Depth map support. That's questionable if that will work. Very questionable. I don't think we can do that. Shit. Oh, create render target. Okay, let's just add this function here carefully. So we search for this set render target function. Yeah. It's here. No? Here. Set render target. Okay. Set render target for swap chain. Swap chain. Set render target swap chain. Here. Okay, we put it before this guy. Oof. Well, there the trouble starts. We don't have this. Fuck. Shit. That's a major problem. What is this class? That texture. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. That is. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I think what we do now is we copy this whole thing here, and then we see what happens. Oh. I mean, not to try untangle this, it would be just a nightmare. Let's see how far we go here. I mean, this looks quite risky. Oh boy. It's just so much difference here. It's hard to make sense of this diff, so I don't. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now we have texture just merged over. Okay, so this one is recognized now, okay, but we still have more here. Set render target is undefined. Set render target. Aha. 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 There are more here. Okay. How about we take all of this? Oh boy. Oh fuck me. Ah, this is why. $12.95. Oh. Unfortunately, I don't know how to proceed here. This change is getting way too big. There's so many. It trickles down into Vegas. This is a major problem. Okay, how many errors will there be in texture.cpp? No errors in here. Oh, okay. But here we do. Thumbnail class. Where's that? Texture thumbnail. Texture. Texture thumbnail. So I'll take this as well. Yeah. And this. We have a profile. What is this? It's in core. Okay, great. At least something. Oh my gosh. The format has been changed here. For less color information. Thumbnail. is just outrageous. Some absolute madness. Absolute madness. I mean, realistically, no one is gonna merge this unless we go nuclear on this. So I think that's the only option. Go nuclear and see what happens. Yeah. So let's see how many things are still reds. Oh my god, texture loader. Texture loader. Okay, let's get to it. Oh my gosh. Texture loader. Texture loader. Where is it? Yeah. Okay, so we also need to get the texture loader. Okay. It's just so much changes here. It's not trivial to merge. It's just so much. They changed so much. It's absolute madness. It's madness. Look at this diff. It's just like thousands and thousands of files of diff. Like you can't untangle this easily. It's impossible. So we just go nuclear here on these guys. So let's see what I have now. Did we save? Yeah. Okay, so it now has this. Yeah, okay, what else is red? Create DX8 Z texture. Create DX8 Z texture. Oh. DX8 Z texture. Okay. Okay, let's take these guys. Oh, they are in place here. Okay, never mind. Why are they not? Where are they? Huh? Where is it? Texture CPP. Here. It is in there. Should be found in here, but it's not. Why not? Why is it not finding it? Which line is it? 2618. 2618. There we go. Why is it not finding it? Okay, we take these guys. Okay, what else do we have? So now it should have this function. Yeah. It still claims it has no member. I don't know why. It did save. Maybe it's just not updated yet. Oh, what is this here? Incomplete type. Why? Why is this claimed to be incomplete? It's here. What's the problem? I don't know why this is complaining. Track. Incomplete type. Why is this incomplete? Texture CPP. We merged that whole shit. What's the problem? There's nothing else in here. Textman. Oh, it's in Textman. DX8 Textman. Oh, okay. DX8 Textman. Oh boy. Oh boy. More. Oh. Okay, but this one is a simple file. That's much appreciated. Fair enough. See? Yeah. Okay, nothing is red anymore in here. Okay, looks promising. Then let's see if there's something red in texture loader. Texture loader. Nothing red. Okay, that's cool. Then DX8 Textman. DX8 Textman. Nothing red. Okay, that also looks promising. Next. Texture loader. Texture thumbnail. Let's look in there. Texture thumbnail. Nothing red in there. What about this other file here? There's also a texture filter. Texture filter. Okay, let's take a look at this file. Init filters. Oof. Oof. Let's try this out for now. Okay, let's go to DX8 wrapper. Here we have red still. Right. Okay. Format. Okay. Create render target. What is going on here? My gosh. Set render target. Even dev Xbox. Okay, let's take all this bullshit. Yeah. Then we take all of this bullshit here. And we save. And then we take a look. And we have new reds. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, there's such a long red tail here. It's insane. It's absolutely insane. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh boy. Okay, well, it's not so much. It's DX8 call and current depth buffer. Undefined. Current depth buffer. Okay, where is this coming from? DX8 wrapper. Okay. Okay, let's try to get that shit. DX8. Somewhere down here? No? Where's this from? Uh-huh. Current depth buffer. Let's take all of these here. Okay. Who's creating it? Here. I have the impression that when we do this, nothing will work. Right? Yeah. I suspect we will start the game and nothing will render. I mean, it's just so much change here. It's insane. It's insane. Okay, so what else is red now? Nothing is red. Look at that. Well, not in this file. What about DX8 call? DX8 call. That exists. Okay, let's see if that compiles or not. Probably there will be still errors. Probably in regards to texture, a lot of errors, yeah, and render target. Oh boy. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, a few things. Yeah. Okay, but it's not that much. Just a few errors. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. It's okay. Projected shadow. Let's look at that. Projected shadow. Line 264. Yeah, that is true. Okay, there's one. Text projects. Text projects. Text projects. Ooh. Ooh. I would say we take all of it. No. Let's not be greedy here. Set render target. Take it out. Yeah. Try to take all the texture changes. Okay, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. Begin render. Okay. Okay. Fuck. Oh. What is this now? Why is there so much red in here now? Declaration is incompatible. Huh? Did we not save? Or what? What is the problem? Peak render target. It is compatible. Maybe it just didn't update yet. Let's see. I think it's not refreshed yet. Didn't realize. Oh man, it's so much. I think it's as simple as if we just get all the texture stuff over in one swoop. Because trying to detangle this, it would be nice, but it's just so much. It's so much. Oh boy. This is really hard here. Okay, let's see if that compiles or not. Nope. Bump texture class. Oh, what the hell is that bullshit? Asset manager. Oh boy. Asset MGR. Get bump map based on texture. Okay. It's not needed. Oh boy. Shader library. Shade. How about we get all this here, but not this guy. Not. Oh. Can we just get this line here? Why can't I just get one line? What is this? I don't want this line. Okay, let's just delete it. Maybe that will work. Haha. Okay. Looks simple enough. Error. Okay. Oh, texture loader. Asset manager. Oh my gosh. Oh man, this is hard here. Okay, W3D Asset Manager. Asset Man. Asset Man. Line 630. 630. Foreground loading. Okay. Shutdown. W3D display. W3D display. W3D display. $405. 405. Ah, they just removed it. Okay. Fair enough. Okay, let's see. Holy shit, and compiled. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh man. That was a journey. Well, but the question now is, will it actually run? Compiling is one thing, but running is a completely different story. Yeah, let's see what happens. We see a video. but that's oof, we see the world. Wow. Where do we see the water now? I think that's the important question. There's a good chance that we still don't see the water. We see the water! Oh, thank God. We see the water. Oh, holy shit. Wow. But it looks so bright. Wasn't it typically darker? Not sure. Let's load a different map. Like this one has some river here. Oof, it's dark. Let's the command center. Okay, it looks normal. Let's look at some nice water. Here, this one looks good. It's very bright. Yeah, that looks like normal water. Okay, cool. That is nice. Okay, cool. Now the question is there anything else that could be broken? I mean, there could be many things broken, all right? Oof. Let's look at the scenery here a bit. Particles are okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's load some mission here. Let's start China 4. Tungula Mountains. That's water, plains, stingus. We see roads. Yeah. Roads, terrain, cliffs. Wow, that river is funky. Whoa. I've never played this mission. I never played the campaign of Generals, actually. Except for a few missions now for testing purposes. Yeah. Wow, nice reinforcements. We're missing shadows. Blob shadows are missing. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, so decal shadows are missing on the infantry, but also on the trees. Yeah. The shadows also look very dark, but maybe that's just the lightning of this mission here. Yeah. I mean, things will naturally be fixed the more we replicate, right? So I'm not too worried about this, although I think it would be better if the decal shadows were back. There's another guy here. That was painful. What's going on here with the camera? What is this? Oh, we can build hackers. Wow. We can use Lotus to capture. Oh, it's also missing the Lotus effect here. Oof. Very sneaky attacks here. Yeah, so some stuff is missing, yeah. But I think overall the game is testable, so I think that's important. But yeah, it looks buggy. Yeah. Man, how much reinforcements? Wow. Oh yeah, against the tractor we need a few forces, I would say. Oh. Some crazy cutscenes here. Yeah. Let's go attack. Easy. Easy peasy. Boom. Bitches. Where's Lotus? Oh, more reinforcements. God damn it. Easy. Okay. Yeah, so there are some visual bugs. The beam from the Lotus is missing. The shadow decals are missing. Oh. Yeah. It's a bit insane. Yeah. Good. But overall, it doesn't look too bad. Yeah. Okay, let's say unify texture, merge texture code. Maybe we should first make one separate change just for texture merging without the height map stuff. And then yeah, and then we do that. Yeah, I will take a break here. There. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.